Hi there, Renee Rebs here again with another tutorial. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to make your thumbnail for your YouTube videos using Picsart app. So let's get into the video. Let's go. Using the Picsart app on your iPhone, first thing you have to do is to select the picture you want to use for the thumbnail. Now I've selected the picture, I go straight to tools and change the size of the picture to 1280 width. So now the picture size has been changed. So next we go into the text. You can just type in whatsoever you want to write on the thumbnail. You can simply adjust it. You can change the font to any kind of font you want, but then this is the free app. If you want to pay for it, you have access to more of the fonts. So now I'm just going to show you how to pick the color. The pencil sign by the left there, you can use it to pick any color in the picture and use it for your text. So I'm just showing how you can adjust it. How I pick the color from my hair, how it shows on the text, and just showing how there are other colors of text already available. You can simply adjust it to wherever you want to position it. So on the fonts, the ones you see the crown sign on it, those are the ones that are premium. If you're subscribe to the premium, you get access to it. So then you can use your stroke. You can add stroke. Sliding to the right is increasing the amount, sliding to the left is reducing it. Opacity, that's you can also adjust that. You can adjust the blend. Just have fun with the app and see whatsoever you like on your text. So I made it bold. You can make it italic. You can underline it or cross it. Shadow, add shadow to your text to make it bolder. Then you can also change the color of the shadow. Then you can blur it out, that's still on the shadow, to make it more brighter. Then you can position it to the right, vertical or horizontal. So this is just basically me showing you everything you can do on the app to get that thumbnail easily. So I'm just adjusting it to what I want to use for myself. Zooming it in so I can see what's really going on, because I can't really see well. Oh, hi there. I'm here again. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, you are learning things from me and you've not subscribed. My eyes on you. I'm watching you. Let's continue with the tutorial. Adding of sticker, you can just search any kind of sticker you're looking for. So I just search on InShot because this video has to do with InShot, and I took the icon from the options that are given and I just placed it on the picture. So now the good part about this is that you can always adjust this. You can increase it, you can reduce it, you can slide it to any position you want, and you can duplicate it. So now this up sign, I can just simply duplicate it and place more of the icon on the picture just to make it look better. So I think this is okay. Saved and we're done. That's easy to get your thumbnail. So now we've come to the end of this video. Don't forget to what? Like, share, subscribe, and do whatever you can do for your girl. And I will see you in my next. Bye, loves.